Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing so well. My name is Marlene. I normally do videos in Spanish, but thought it was a good idea to start doing English videos because I have noticed that I do have a few subscribers that speak English. So I thought it was a good idea, and by Instagram you guys have asked me to do more English videos, and that's it. So here it is. If you don't follow me in Instagram and TikTok already, I will leave my social media around here in the bottom, and you guys have all the links to my social media in the description box as well. On TikTok I normally do more English videos on a daily basis, so if you want to hear more of me talking in English and doing English videos, you guys can just follow me over there. English is not my language, so I normally speak Spanish, as I said, so please don't judge me if I don't speak really well English, okay? In today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys my clean makeup, this makeup that is so aesthetic, that is been all over social media and all around. Is kind of the makeup that models use, so I do have as well my kind of model hairstyle, and let's get started. First things first, I always do my skincare. I have applied tonic and all that stuff, and as first part of my makeup is always sunscreen, so I'm gonna use the Jaja mattifying cream, and it does have very high protection. It have 50 plus of sun protection, and it's mattifying as well, so I'm gonna use this one today. I normally mix both, but today is kind of sunny and I think I need more of this 50% of SPF. Don't forget the neck. I'm so sorry that I don't have a background. I'm working on it yet. I have a few Diseño frames that I'm kind of looking into it, so I can kind of design my wall. And talking about Diseño, I do have a discount, and I have an affiliate link that you guys can click the description box, and I have 10% of discount on Diseño. So if you guys want to use it, they have a huge sale of 30% off. This is not, well, it is and it's not an ad. I'm affiliate with them. I'm on their affiliate program, but they are not paying me to mention this in this video. I'm just kind of telling you guys. And also you will see more discounts in my description box, as for example my jewelry, all of it is from Mónica Vinader, and I have 25% discount into Mónica Vinader, so you will see all the discounts and all the links down in the description box. Let's go for the brows. I normally use the Westbound & Co. soap brows, and I do take any spray and I wet the soap a little bit, and then with the spoolie I will do my brows, and this will give us kind of this feather eyebrows style. So yeah, that's gonna be it for my eyebrows. When I finish my makeup, I'm gonna see if I need to fill in something, but as I said, I have not done my brows, so it's kind of a little bit disaster, so I don't want to touch it too much. I just normally on a daily basis do this, and that's about it. I'm very happy with my skin lately, so I will perfectly go out like this, but I want to kind of look a little bit more subtle model type of look, so let's keep going with the makeup. I'm gonna use now my Hollywood Flawless filter. I use it in the shade Tan Doré 5.5, and I normally use it on the high points of my face so I can add a little bit of highlight. Tengo esta gripe, me está asesinando. Coco Cosmetics by Chloe Marshmallow Sponge. This sponge is so soft, so beautiful, and it definitely does something. It's so quick and so easy to blend everything with this sponge. It's just magic. Let's go into foundation, and today I'm going to the matte side, as I said, and I will use my IT Cosmetics CC Cream Plus Oil Free Matte. I use this one in the shade Rich. Normally I use it in the shade Tan, but shade Rich is gonna be better for today as it's more sunny and I'm not that pale today. And yeah, I really love this CC cream. It's really good. The quality of this makeup is just stunning. It does have really very good coverage, and it's matte, as I said. So I really love this foundation. It's just my daily one, so as you guys can see, it's already kind of dying. I need another one, that's for sure. So I'm gonna use again my Cocoa by Chloe Cosmetics marshmallow sponge, and I'm gonna blend this out. Look, this is so beautiful. I just love my base when I do this. Now I'm gonna use my Overachiever concealer from Huda Beauty. Normally I would use a more hydrating one. I'm really loving the NYX Cosmetics new Bear With Me concealer serum. It's a serum and a concealer at the same time, but today I'm going out, so I want to use the Overachiever concealer, as it's more coverage and it's more mattifying. I'm gonna soon do for you guys a new products makeup, like testing new products and a full face with new products that I have to show you guys, but today is not the day. I'm gonna contour now, and I'm gonna use the Sosu by Suzanne Jackson contour stick, and I use it in the shade dark, and I'm gonna just do my contour. And just two spots here. I'm gonna use today the Pixie on the Glow blush. Is this one that you guys can see here. This is in the, I think this is in the shade Juicy. I normally just use my fingers and just tap these onto my skin. You guys can see that this is just so beautiful. And now I'm gonna set everything with the I Have Revolution banana scented baking powder. I'm gonna use these kind of triangle pads. I bought them from Shein, but obviously you can find them everywhere, and that's the best thing that you can use to set your makeup. It's just so beautiful, and it leaves your skin so beautiful, and you can use it wherever you need to modify and remove texture from your skin. So that's so beautiful. And I normally just kind of mattify the center of my face. Everything else I just leave it glowy. Now I'm gonna use my Beauty Bay caramel bronzer and my Real NYX bronze or contour brush, and I'm gonna kind of set and accentuate the bronzer that I have done already. A little bit on the nose. Whatever is left on the brush, I apply it on my eyes also, so I can kind of bronze them a little bit. Today I'm going to use the Milani Coralina Baked Powder Blush, and I'm just going to apply this on my cheeks. But I'm going to apply it like really high. Just kind of here. So after all of these, I just have left my eyes. I use the Revolution Velvet Rose Reloaded from the Revolution Reloaded palettes. I use the Velvet Rose. This is my favorite palette from all of years. And I'm gonna use this H&M AM brow brush. It's this one over here. It does have like this angled shape. And I'm gonna select the kind of black shade and the brown shade, and I'm gonna mix both of them so I can kind of do a winged liner just following the shape of my eye, and I'm just gonna accentuate that in the end of my eyes. That's it. So now I'm gonna use my Kiko Milano Smart Fusion pencil. I used this one in the shade 534, and I also use a lot the 531, and I'm just gonna line my lips. And I'm gonna use the NYX Cosmetics Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap today. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. I used to forgot to put mascara on, but thanks to God that I always have one in my purse, because it's something that I always forgot. I really don't know why. I always forget to apply mascara. And to fix my makeup, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm going to spray a little bit of that into my face. Ooh. And yeah, that's it for the makeup of today. Let me kind of zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. That's kind of the finish of my skin, and this is the final makeup that I normally do when I want to do some sort of photos or for a daily normal basis. And that's kind of my clean makeup tutorial, my clean makeup perception, and as well this is kind of the model inspired makeup. So yes, I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked what you see, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I would love to see you guys on my next video and to have you guys into this crazy family. Wish you guys all the best and take care. See you next time. Bye.